Hey guys, we're doing Highwayman by Jimmy Webb today. Let's take a listen. All right, guys. I'm Shawn of WebPianoTeacher.com, and welcome. We're gathering together in the internet community to learn, play, and share the music that we love to create a culture of encouragement for everyone out there who's trying to learn piano online. You can do it if you pick the right lessons and you know how to practice, and I'm here to help you with that. If you are a complete beginner, meaning you don't know anything and you need to start from square one, I do have super beginner lessons on WebPianoTeacher.com. It's the all-new Easy Piano Lesson series I've done this year. 50 lessons. In fact, all 50 sheets are in one PDF, so that you can get all of them in one PDF. You can download the sheet on the site, and I have all of those lessons to begin your piano experience. If you are a member of WebPianoTeacher.com, you can download this sheet for this. And this is a beautiful piano solo arrangement. Even if you don't sing with it, or just the piano by itself, if you've never heard the song, just listen to the piano. You might want to play it anyway if you don't know the song. Well, let's get into it. So we have, we're in kind of C minor, E flat, so we have 3 flats in the key signature. So we'll have B flats, E flats, and A flats. So already resign yourself to that you're going to have B, E, and A as flats a lot, okay? Because we are in, you can call it C minor, or sometimes more of an E flat feel, which those keys are relative keys, meaning they have the same flats in their key signature. So let's jump into it. All right, on the board here we have, and again, the name of the song is Highwayman, all one word, Jimmy Webb. And it's a really neat piano part to play, even if you don't sing it, like I said. So let's get into it. D, E flat, G will be the right hand, and we'll go da-da-da. It's really quick. All right? So as soon as you play that G on the right hand, the left hand is going to do C and G. Then we're going to do this. G, and right hand C, D, E flat, G, and you have it. The rest of it's just repeat of those notes. C, E flat, G, and then a C on the left hand. Repeating. See, that says 3 times. That was once. And then we go back through it again. Here's the second time. And here's the third time. Now we're going to continue. G, C, D, G. All right, but let's nail down that intro. Make sure you got the timing of it. Ready, go. Second time. Third time. Then we continue on with G, C, D, G. So the left and right hand will have kind of an interchange back and forth with these eighth notes. Left, right, right, right. It sounds like one thing, and it is one thing, but the left and right hand share it. When you see a dash, you're going to hold that. When you see a curved line, you're going to just keep those notes moving. You have a C, and then an E flat F in the right. Left hand has a B flat. Left hand F, right hand C, E flat F, then B flat C. That B flat can be left hand or right hand. Left hand kind of works good for that. So after you do this the third time, here's the third time. See, it's 4 counts in each measure. So that third time again, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 1, 2. All right. Then we continue on the next measure. So here's a case where the left hand could play that B flat, or the right hand. I don't really know which hand the person in the recording's doing, but you can't see, but it can be either hand, however you want to split that up. E flat F in the right, then a D, then 2 B flats, and then B flat F B flat. You could actually go, let the left hand play the first one and the right hand play the next one. Kind of works. Then B flat F B flat, left hand on G E flat, and and then F, B flat. So if I start with the very beginning, we'll do it all. 1, second time, third time, and then we get to the A flat chord. Well, that's good for the part 1 there. Again, all the lessons for this whole song they are on webpianoteacher.com right now, and you can download the sheet. You can download the sheet for any of my lessons. In fact, if you want to just go over there for free and watch all my free lessons, I have a few thousand free lessons you can watch on there and get plenty of learning done that way. I enjoyed the part 1. Talk to you guys later.